boys and girls. Let's take a look at our today's math lesson, lesson 3.1. It's in the new packet stuff that we sent to you on Thursday and Friday. And our lesson is count 6 and 7. Our objective today is I can count the numbers 6 and 7. All right, let's continue. Listen carefully to the solve and share problem.
Jackson's dog Rex has some balls on the red rug. Use counters and draw a picture on the empty dog bed to show how many balls Rex has. Tell how you know you are correct.
All right, so what I need to do is I need to count the balls on the rug. All right, so I'm going to first count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to show you with my counters what 6 looks like in my 5 frame. Okay, we know that if we fill a 5 frame full, that means 5. Well, Rex, when I counted, he had 6 here. So what do I do with this extra one? I just put it on right underneath. So I can look at that and I'll say, a 5 frame full and one more is 6. 5, 6. All right, so now I'm going to draw 6 circles on this rug. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful job. How do I know I have 6? Because I know that when my 5 frame is full, it's 5, and I have one more, and that is 6. All right, let's go on. Okay, listen carefully to our video.
You can tell a counting story about what you see. I see dogs playing in the park. How many dogs are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How can you find out how many counters there are? You can count. Does it matter which counter you count first? No, it doesn't matter. If there is one counter for each dog, how many counters are there? There are 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many counters do you color in to show the number of dogs? You color in 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You counted to 7.
Now you know how to use counters to count to 7.
Wonderful job. Let's go to the next page. So our job on this guided practice is that every time we count a dog, we have to represent it by a counter. All right? So I'm going to count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Do you remember how many we had? 6. So with my counter, I'm going to put this, my counter is a little big, but we're going to put 6. We know a 5 frame full and one more is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. right, let's take a look at number 2. Oops. All right, so we're going to count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So with our counters, and actually you'll do this with your crayon, you'll just color it in, but we're going to show 6 on our 5 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and you can just color those in. All right, wonderful. Let's keep going. You're doing a great job. All right, we are going to count or draw a counter as we count each animal to show how many. All right, so let's count how many kittens we have for number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What did we get? 7. So we're going to get our counters. Actually, you will get your, I wonder if I could just use a, I'm not sure. You know what? I'm going to use counters. You guys are going to use color crayons, but I'm just going to use counters. So we had 7. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, now let's take a look. Let's take a look at how many little brown puppies we have. You ready? Here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we need to show 7 here. Okay, let's get out our crayon and make color 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, now, oh, I got all those extra circles there. Now I'm not sure what kind of little, they look like hamsters. Let's call those hamsters. Let's count how many hamsters we have. Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we need to show 6 right here with our counters. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful job. All right, let's turn our page. This is for your job that you need to do. So what you're going to do here is you are going to count the birds. Let's do this one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I counted 7 birds. Now I need to show 7 here. So I'm going to get my pencil. Well, I'm going to get my counters. You guys will color them in. Color in 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then you're going to count your green birds. And then you're going to show that here. Then you're going to count your blue birds. And then you're going to show that here with counters by coloring counters. You're going to color them. And then number 9, you are going to draw 6 eggs and then draw a counter for each egg to show how many. So I'm going to draw 6 eggs. I'm glad I didn't have to draw birds. Eggs are easier. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are my eggs. And I know I have 6 because I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to show that here 6. So I'm going to use my counters and you are going to color those spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right? So what I want you to do is I want you to take a picture, finish this page, take a picture of it and send it to your teacher. All right, boys and girls? All right. We will see you tomorrow. Good luck on your paper today. You will do a great job.